Welcome back to the third video on array operation. In this video we are going to perform the deletion operation in an array. To perform this operation we have created or declared two main functions for this operation. One is finding the index of that element to be deleted and the main deletion function. Now let's start with this index. Here simply we have passed the array, size of an array and the element that need to be deleted, right? So here we have performed the searching operation that we have already discussed in lecture 1. Basically here we have performed the linear search. If the element is found, then we are going to return the index of that element, this element, and we are going to perform the break operation, and through this break we are going to come out of this loop and it will check whether I is equals to 10. This means that if the element is not present, then this particular code will execute and will return -1. Now let's come to the delete function. Here it will check. Now it is very important to know the parameter of this function. The first two is array and the size of an array, but this will be the result of this particular function. This function result will be the parameter, will be the third parameter of this delete one function. Now it will check whether this is -1 or not. If it is -1, then it will return the previous size of an array, and which means like no operation is carried out because there is no element present. Then this is the main deletion operation. Here we are going to perform the deletion operation from that index. For example, if we want to remove this 5, then we are going to perform the deletion operation from this 5 index only, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The index will be 4, and till how much we are going to go? Till n-1, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, till 7 and I plus s. Then we are going to do the shifting operation. The shifting operation will be like, instead of this 5, the 44 will come, like 44 will come in this 5 place, and instead of this 44, 55 will come, and instead of this 55, 66 will come. And if there is more number of elements, then the same process will be followed and will return the n-1 because we have deleted the one element from the array. So the size of the final array will be 1 less than the previous first value. So this function will simply print the final result array, and this is the driver code. We are simply going to call the function. That is, first we are going to call this index function, and as we can see, this index is stored in this result, and this result is now parameter, that is third parameter of this delete one, that is this, as I have already discussed earlier. Now we are simply going to print the result, and after printing we are going to call this function which will print the final result of the delete operation. Now let's run this program. As you can see, the initial size of an array is 8. After deleting 5, the array size will be 7, and we are going to get this particular result by deleting this 5 that is at index 4. For more, we can try with another example. Like if we want to delete, let's say 44, then we are going this, compiled successfully, run. As you can see, the 44 is moved. Now let's try with the element that is not present in an array. Let's try with 12. Now this will give the previous array result, that is the index will be 8 itself and the array will be unchanged. Thank you very much. This much for today.